3 years ago, I was completely sure about one thing. If I got a good degree, life would be a set. I worked hard for that and chased good marks. I did everything, whatever everyone's told me to do. Toughest job market, and I then entered in the job market and realized something uncomfortable. Companies were no longer asking what I studied in the past. They were asking what I can do with updated and upgraded technologies and AI. If you are watching this, you are probably in the same confusion. So stay till the end because this video might save you from the choosing wrong path and wrong career. Because I share with you whatever I make mistakes in my past 3 years and choosing the career path. What actually changed in the today's job market? Earlier, our degrees was our identity. Today, our skills with technology is our identity. Just watch any episode to those documentaries like The Social Dilemma. You will see how algorithms now shape and what we see, buy, and decides. That same silent theft is happening inside companies. A finance analyst today is not hired only for Excels. A marketer is not hired only for creativity. They are hired for how well they can work with AI to produce results faster than others. Let's understand the truth behind reality of hiring. I spoke with someone who works in the recruitment recently. He told me something brutal. We don't reject because they are weak. We reject them because they are look outdated. Let's take one example. One resume shows marks and certificate better, and another shows practical AI based project, automation, workflow, data insight. Guess which one gets the interview call? Absolutely, the second one is confirm get interview call because they have the practical knowledge and knows the how works system and what is the process to building system, the what AI skills and which are the AI skills really pays in the today's job market. People think AI skills mean heavy coding. That's the absolutely false. One of my friends used to ChatGPT to build automated reporting prompts for his finance role, and he was not smarter anymore. He he was faster. He didn't work late night anymore. His boss thought he was extremely efficient. That's the efficiency turned into salary negotiation power. That's when I understood something from the book, which is the deep work, where I learned focus beats efforts. AI multiplies our focus, which are real projects that change our careers. Here is what actually changes our careers: no courses, no certificates, only the things that is change our career, which is projects, because the interviewer assume we have to know practical knowledge and something built that it uh, all to all from designing to deployment process and whatever required to the getting into the teamwork and collaborations in that project. Considered we are well aware about that. That's the thing. It is that change our careers in, and it increases chances of getting promotions faster. One of my friend built an AI expense tracker and that predicts monthly spending. Another built a resume optimization system using AI. None of them were extraordinary coders, but were extraordinary thinkers. We can try to see which are those mistakes people still make during the trying to getting job in the today's toughest market. The saddest thing is the watching people the misuse of AI in or we can say it in another word, wrong use of AI. The first one is the mistake had done. The they copy answers word to word. They don't understand anything, and when they are someone asked why, their mind goes blank. There is nothing to they have to say explain that what they make. Because of that, AI doesn't make you smarter automatically. It only amplifies us and our thinking. We can start, or what we should do starting today. The one thing is that stop asking how do I finish work faster. Instead of that, we can use how do I become impossible to ignore. Pick one small AI project and build it and make some improvisations in that project, and explain it in your words and show the world what we can create, not what we memorized. People will notice, and interviewer and recruiter will notice it, that our degree is not useless. It's just not enough anymore in the future's toughest job market. The future belongs to the people who don't wait for permissions. They build, experiment, and adapt. If you don't want to wake up in 2026 feeling left behind, for that, subscribe now, because I am sharing everything I learned on this journey. Here with us, learn smart and work fast.